Alright guys, this is a bike check for my 2010 Giant Faith. This is what I'm riding now, and yeah, here it is. So we'll start with the bottom front, work our way up. So I have a MTX Sunringle front rim with a Kenda Neville Goal tires. They're 26 times 2.5. Then my shocks are Marzocchi Bomber 66 RCVs. They're 180 mil travel. I like them. They're pretty good. Then my shitty ass grips. They're giant grips. I'm gonna have to replace those. They're getting really shot. For my back brake right now, I have a Elixir 5. It's doing its job, but I'll probably replace it with the exact same as my front brake once I show you that. I got a SRAM X5 gear shifter. Race face respond handlebars, race face respond stem. It's a FSA headset. I got a Shimano Z front brake and another SRAM X5 gear shifter. Here's my brake system there. And there's the frame, the Giant Faith 2010 with the 7.0 Maestro. My seat is a Giant Faith seat. Then the seat post is another Race Face Respond giant seat clamp. I have a Marzocchi Rocco rear shock. And then I got giant pedals, which needs a new bearing. I need new pedals. Race Face Respond crank. Race Face bash guard and chain ring. Race Face chain guide and chain guide. Then on the back, again, it's a Sunringle MTX 31 and the Kenda Neville Goal 26 times 2.50. My front derailleur, you can't really see it from here, but my front derailleur is a Shimano Saint front derailleur. Race Face BB. Then on the back, I have a Shimano Z derailleur mech, and yeah, it's pretty much my bike. It's a really good bike. I really love her. Yeah, I said that weird, but yeah, she's a really good bike. She needs a little bit of a cleaning again, I see. But yeah, that is my bike.